stench. I'm a light drinker, heavy smoker, known for dumping show promoters. Pass the money over, my whole crew is ex-cons. Be alarmed when you hear the it's on. Silverback niggas under the stairs. When we link up, we travel in pairs. Your niggas best beware, the most thorough. Cover all aspects, four corners, you can't creep up on us. I'm taking one for the team, deal me in. And when the smoke clears, do it again. This ain't a sideshow, you can die slow. There's no I in team, we all ride. Yo, the master of the ceremony. This is my testament, homicide housing. That's what I represent.
Criminal gunplay, chemicals rain and PJs. Last raid, another Fed paid, red rum Sunday. The world dying for the love of money. Expensive chains, anticipating for that cocaine condensing the brain. Catching the strain as I look back. Memory lane, simple with plain envy and fame, a major part of the game. Chemistry grain, foolish kids ran when I came. 40 acres, 5% of terrain. Spark light through my vein tunnel. Aim through this jungle with rain. A lot of haters wanna see us hang, but watch me bang, there's an eagle crane. Snap, crack, shatter your frame. Another victim in the system where we barely sustain. Fortunate, I sold a million Vegas first campaign. Sipping rosemary, cherry champagne. Nigga, you're young and you're dangerous. Water on the wrist, ice twist. Talk for the list, VIP top of your list.
We all in it together, forever and ever. Down for whatever, whatever. Yeah, yeah. We all in it together, forever and ever. Down for whatever, whenever.
Check the words from the genius that was written in pen. Murder gloves hide the fingerprint, but never the sin. Ghetto prophet that's born to quote. Got the crimies behind me with your face on scope. Don't provoke, trust on that ting bus, and we well dangerous. Who can handle us when we rush the clubs on thrust? Yo, don't miss the lead, vocalist, terrorist.